Good time, everyone. Mr. Q, your friendly neighborhood Qatari over here. Assalamu alaikum, Ramadan Mubarak. Today I'm going to be talking about a very important topic. This one is for all you guys out there that seem to think that it's only the ladies that should do the cooking during Ramadan. I got news for you, buddy. Now don't forget, during Ramadan, it's all about contributing to the family, to the friends that you have, to your neighbors. And of course, that means that we all need to play an important role. Now, while many of us are very lucky to have some great women in our lives that are cooking the most delicious foods ever, and in case you want to see some more about food, click over there. We've got like 5 Qatari foods that you can check out. But don't just get home after work, lay down on the sofa, and then watch some Ramadaniyat. Those are special Ramadan episodes that show up on television once a year. Go ahead, get in the kitchen and ask, how can you help?
Let's get started. First off, oh my God, can you let me do what I need to do?
Now, why did I turn out like this? Because my dad is a pretty good cook. He taught me how to cook some things, and I would always see him walk into the kitchen and be like, hey. Salt Bay time. My dad was the original Salt Bay, okay? I'm just saying. He didn't do this. He did, you know, that. Like. Now don't forget that everybody's tired, everybody's fasting, or most people are fasting. And so it's all about contributing to help each other and make things a little bit more easier on each other too. I hope that you enjoyed this Q-tip, and if you agree with what I'm saying and that we all need to help each other out, please share this with somebody who needs to see this. So I hope that you enjoyed this Ramadan Q-tip. Don't forget to like, share, and ask us a question in the comment section below. Who knows, we might pick it and answer it. And we appreciate that. It's time for Comment of the Week. This comment is asked by Janani G. I am from India and we were in Qatar for the past 6 years. We love Qatar and love all your videos. Keep rocking. Thank you so much. We will continue to rock as long as you continue to rock too. Did you know that the Indian population is the highest in Qatar? If you want to hear more of those facts, read more of those facts, visit iLoveQatar.net. Want to find out information about Ramadan in Qatar? Maybe you want to find out about tents, events, and more? Don't forget to visit Ramadan.qa. Tim, you do know that I'm gonna start getting messages from guys saying, hey man, what did you do, right?